Period. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, give a fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I installed my lace closure wig using the got to be glue method. This wig was provided to me by, sorry I am sick guys, but this wig was provided to me by Dola Hair company. They sent me well, I ordered 3 bundles of 20 inches and a 16-inch closure, and they made it into a wig for me. Yes guys, they are offering a service in which you order the bundles and the closure or the frontal, whichever you prefer, and then they'll make it into a wig for you free of cost. Also, when you do the service, the hair does come a little bit fuller. The density is way better than the pre-made wig. As you know, when you order a wig from AliExpress, the wigs are normally very thin. So when you order from Dola's Hair and you order like the bundles and they make it into a wig for you, it is much better. Like as you can see, the hair is very full. Anyways, I did go ahead and I did some flat iron curl with this hair. If you want to see like how I do that, you could always comment down below and I'll definitely upload a video with me doing the flat iron curls. But yeah, we all know how I start out every install. I make sure the foundation is on my stocking cap and I also put it on the lace as well. I did bleach the lace and I did pluck it a little bit more, just because I wanted it to be a little bit more natural. But that was pretty much it that I did for this hair. This hair was the bomb, like to the T. It was very shiny. I love the quality. It is very soft and honestly one of the best hairs, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I think I'm just going to stop the talking now and let you guys watch the rest of the video. And also the rest of the video is pretty much self-explanatory, so I don't think you guys will be confused. I hope you guys will not be confused. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave you guys to watch the video now. So I just came back to say that, you know, normally I don't like doing like baby hairs whenever I'm doing like the initial install of a hair, but because this is a closure and I wanted to look a little bit more natural, I just decided to do like 2 little baby hairs on each side, just so it could look like it's a frontal when it's really not. But yeah, you don't have to do baby hairs if you don't want to. I just did the 2 little thing at the side just to give it a little bit more, because to me it looked a little bit blunt and I wanted it, you know, like a little bit more natural. So this is the final look, guys. Thank you for watching, and I want to also thank Dola Hair for sending me this bomb ass wig. This wig was magnificent. The only problem I had with this wig literally was only because it was a little bit big for my head. However, the wig did come with the thing in the back, the clips in the back, to kind of make it a little bit more tighter, but somehow it was just still big for my head. So I had to just, you know, work around it, and yeah, I had to just make it work. But for the most part, the hair was good, the install was good. Like I said, it was very shiny, naturally shiny. The quality was good. Overall, I give this hair a 9.5 just because I haven't worn it long enough yet, but the hair is to the T. Thank you guys for watching, and of course I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, also, and I forgot to mention, the link for the hair will be in the description box, so make sure to check them out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.